Hello everyone. Just like the previous recording, in this one, what you guys will know that about the manual discount. That how can we can apply a manual discount? It's a straight thing. There is no issue in that. So what you have to do? Just you have to come here and say manual discount. You see, pop up here. We need to just give some attribute values like adjustment type. Uh, sorry, adjustment. Okay, adjustment type, adjustment value. Okay, quantity is what we choose earlier on the top here, line item quantity. Item quantity and unit prices. I think line item list price. Okay, we did that. Just save. Okay, and then just and then what you have to do? You just need to pass the values. Okay, so how you can pass the value? Just click on simulate. These things are previously only you see the adjustment type and adjustment values. Sorry, the adjustment value and adjustment type it's got populated. So adjustment value, what value you want to do? Let's suppose that I want to give 10 more percentage. So 10%. Okay, percent. Okay. Now let's simulate. Now you can see the volume discount is 25%, and then there will be a one more manual discount is uh, 1,35,000. There is one more manual discount is get applicable on that. Okay, so this is how this volume based discount and manual discount will be working. In the next video we will see that how attribute based pricing we can consider. So let's stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.